So you are trying to send a snap to your friends or families, and Snapchat is putting a logo on the image or a video which says media upload. Let me show you what I am trying to say. So let's open Snapchat. So once we are on the Snapchat, so let's open a picture. What I am trying to say, as you can see, it says media upload. So this is what you are trying to hide. This is what you don't want on your pictures because you have uploaded the picture from your gallery, right? So basically that's the reason it says media, because this is from your phone's gallery or phone's album. So you want to get rid of this. You don't want this on your pictures. So here's the truth, right? And the truth is very disappointing. I know some of you will be commenting on my uh, video, negative comments, but my job is to guide you, is my job is to help you, and also make sure that you don't waste your time from fake videos which are all over the internet. All right, so these people will teach you fake stuffs, but at the end of the day it won't work. But I'm here to help you, and the truth is you cannot remove media upload from Snapchat. That's because Snapchat doesn't want us to upload photos. Snapchat encourage us to simply record pictures like this. All right, just record picture or video like this and send to your person. Although there is options, I mean there are options to upload picture like this, but if you do it, then there will be a logo which says media upload, and unfortunately you cannot remove the media upload logo from your videos or pictures. Yeah, before like 1 year ago that was not the case. 1 year ago there was not such options. You can simply upload photos or videos from your gallery and people won't figure it out whether you have recorded from your live camera or you have uploaded from your gallery. And Snapchat eventually figure it out, and they have spot the loophole which we are using, and they have added this logo which says media upload. So basically Snapchat encourage us to record videos. So this is pretty much it. I know it is disappointing and I know you are going to hate me on the comments, but trust me, I'm just trying to save your time and energy. You can it's your choice. You can watch other videos which will simply fool you, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it's disappointing, but yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.